and 80s, during the Vietnam War, the American CIA recruited the Hmong living in Laos for help because they knew the land. Communist parties were using the country of Laos as a route to supply North Vietnam with weapons. America had an exceptional Hmong general, General Vang Pao, who recruited the Hmong to fight alongside him to stop these supply routes. The Communist parties then targeted the Hmong when they found out the Hmong were aiding America. Due to this, the Hmong had to seek refuge in Thailand and other refugee camps that would accept them.
Gosheng, I've been looking everywhere for you.
Why? Did you miss me, Pong?
I do, but there's something important I have to tell you.
What do you have to tell me?
I'm pretty sure you know that General Vang Pao is looking for soldiers for the war. My cousins are going, and I decided to go too.
Don't go, Pong. It's dangerous. What about me? What about our family? Who's gonna watch over us?
I will be watching over you and my family by going. But I have to go to the war to protect my family and try to end it.
But I want you to stay here and be safe with me.
I do want to be with you, but I have to do the best for our people and our country.
If you go, how will I know if you're okay?
I promise I'll try to write to you as much as I can and tell you how much I love and miss you. And when I come back to the village, I'll be all yours.
If you go, I can't promise I'll stay and wait for you. I might find a boy who will actually stay with me.
That's fine. But I'll still write to you because I love you.
I love you too. If you do go, I want to write you a letter before you do. I won't know where you will be, so I want you to take this letter and read it while you're away.
And I promise I'll be all yours when I come back.
After Pong left, he was able to write to Gosheng every few weeks. He continuously told her all about the hardships he had went through the army, but always left the end to tell her how much he loved and cared for her. He wrote to her for 4 months straight. On the latest letter he wrote to Gosheng, he wrote, "Gosheng, I just got news from the surrounding officers that the enemy troops were planning to storm our village of Haikyao. You have to get your parents out of there. I have sent my family a letter already, but please make sure that they also leave. I wish I could be there and make sure you're safe, but please be careful and remember how much I miss and love you." Mom, Dad, we have to leave our village of Haikyao. Why, Shane? What's wrong? Pong just sent me a letter saying that the enemy troops are coming to our village. It's no longer safe for us.
We need to go to Nong Hai. That's the closest village to the border of Thailand. When we get to Nong Hai, we can ask your uncle to let us stay and cross the river to the Mekong River at night. Then once we get to Thailand, we can find a refugee camp and see if they let us stay there. We can't stay here anymore. This country is no longer safe for our people, and we have to leave now.
We need to leave tonight. We can't take too much stuff with us, but we'll need some money, some clothes, and some cooking materials. Okay. Well, I want to go to Pong's family's home and tell them and make sure that they leave. Then I'll come back home and help you guys pack. Okay. The next day, Gosheng, her mom, and dad left their village and decided to make their way to Nong Hai. They didn't tell much people they left because having too many people leaving the village would be too risky for their family. They traveled for that whole day with no breaks, and the sun was going down fast. They didn't bring much food because they knew it would go bad. but they did bring knives, pots, and their knowledge into the nature. They found various plants and ate it for the night.
Mom, Dad, we've been traveling all day, and your bodies must be tired. You guys can go to bed, and I'll take the first watch tonight. Thank you, Moshe. Wake us up if you see anything, okay? Okay.
My dear, I'll be
It's a quiet, dark place, but with you, my dear, I'm safe and we're a million miles away. There's things I wish I knew.
There's nothing I keep from you.
It's a dark and shiny place, but with you, my dear, I'm safe and we're a million miles away. Lying on the moon, it's a perfect afternoon. Your shadow